Hello and welcome, Greg here from Motor Match Crewe, sharing with you this latest stock arrival in the form of this gorgeous Volkswagen Golf 5-door hatchback. Here available in a popular match variant and finished with the exterior in a rare night blue metallic colour which looks absolutely gorgeous. Key equipment highlights on this model will include the benefit of automatic headlights as well as daytime running lights and factory upgraded 17-inch Singapore alloy wheels with sport suspension. Boot space is absolutely cavernous and can easily swallow weekly shopping with the option of 60-40 split seats with a ski chute and even a variable boot floor with a space-saver spare wheel. Quick glimpse in the rear will reveal loads of legroom and headroom for up to 3 passengers, as well as 2 ISOFIX chat anchor points and even centre armrest with cup holders. A quick glimpse in the front will also offer decorative door and dash inserts, as well as front seats which feature manual lumbar support for additional comfort. The driver will be happy with this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, capable of operating adaptive cruise control and volume and music. Digital speedometer will complement analog dials, and there's also front assist city emergency braking on offer. All your music and Bluetooth can easily be operated from the rear, whilst easy-to-use composition media system features physical shortcuts on either side. It's touch-sensitive as well and benefits from DAB digital radio, with media source inputs such as those displayed on the screen. Pairing your phone is also incredibly easy, and you can choose various vehicle setups and even optimize the sound system, which will appeal to many of you. Car settings will also allow you to personalize this Golf to truly make it your own one, and there's also a drive mode selector available, prioritizing a sporty feel or more fuel efficient one in mind. Helping you park is also front and rear audible and visual sensors with an easy to use air conditioning for year-round weather.